can't find your plugins in FL Studio, in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to do so in just a few steps. First up, get your FL Studio open. There's this plug icon right here and click on it. You'll be seeing various plugins, all of them that you have installed. From controllers to visuals, there are many components too. So click on the one that you'd like to open and just simply open it. The second thing you can do is from the Mixer tab. Go to FL Studio and over the Mixer tab. Now click on any empty slot and click on Manage Plugins. You can search for any plugin that you'd like to find. Let's say for me it's Yuli. Once you found it, just double click on it. And then your plugin simply opens. If you still can't find your plugin, make sure your plugin has been properly installed in your directory, which is C, Program Files, Image Line, FL Studio 2024, Plugins, and go to Fruity and Effects. Here, make sure your plugin has been pasted properly. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more related videos. See you on the next one.